Sandals Montego Bay, established in 1981, holds the distinction of being the original Sandals resort and a flagship property for the brand. Located in Montego Bay, Jamaica, it has undergone several significant renovations, with a major overhaul completed around 2019, making it feel modern and fresh. This adults-owned all-inclusive luxury resort is specifically designed for couples and those seeking a romantic getaway, although friends and adult family members are welcome. It boasts a reputation for its long, private white sand beach, proximity to the airport, and a wide array of amenities, including diverse dining options, extensive water sports, and comprehensive entertainment. The resort is exceptionally close to Sangster International Airport, typically a 5-minute complimentary transfer. This allows guests to get your vacation started right away and maximize time at the resort. Close proximity means guests can hear noise from the planes. While some find it loud and disruptive, many guests report getting used to it or find it becomes white noise after the first day. Flights are generally frequent between normal daytime hours and do not run in the late afternoon or overnight. Sandals in Montego Bay is truly an all-inclusive experience. Sandals Montego Bay prides itself on being 100% all-inclusive, meaning guests put your wallet away and you never have to see it again. This covers unlimited food and drinks, including bottomless top-shelf spirits, and in-room minibars stocked with wines and local beers. There is a no-tipping policy in place. A core Sandals policy is no tips, no problem, with the exception of butlers or spa services, which can be tipped via card. This creates a laid-back atmosphere and ensures no extra fees or charges at check. You get value for your money. While some perceive Sandals as pricier, many argue that it's worth every penny, as the all-inclusive nature means no hidden costs for premium items. The resort offers a wide range of 24 different room categories, divided into luxury, club, and butler elite levels. The butler elite level is the top tier room, and it provides white glove service with a personal butler to tend to your every need 24 hours. Perks include breakfast in bed, handling all your dining reservations, 24-hour room service, and a dedicated mobile phone to contact butlers. Many guests highly recommend this service, citing butlers for their exceptional personalized service, anticipating needs, and making special occasions memorable at any time of the day or night. The club level suite offers added concierge services from normal business hours, including personalized check-ins, resort orientations, and a fully stocked bar with premium liquors. Room service is available for a certain period, generally until dinner time. The luxury level or entry-level rooms that are still very nice, with amenities like a private balcony, smart TV, and minibar. The most popular suites are the beachfront butler swim, up suites with retractable glass walls. Private patios, oversized soaking tubs, and direct pool access are highly favored. Other popular choices include beachfront walkout suites and beachfront club-level rooms with oversized soaking tubs on the balcony. Sandals Montego Bay offers 12 world-class restaurants on site, providing a diverse culinary journey from steak to Caribbean, Italian, Asian. The Stay at One, Play at Two program allows guests have exchange privileges with the nearby Sandals Royal Caribbean, adding an additional 9 restaurants, 5 bars, and 8 pools, bringing the total to 21 different options to choose from. A complimentary shuttle runs between the two resorts. No matter what time of day that you're hungry, you're always going to be able to find something to eat. Most restaurants do not require reservations, except Butcher's Steakhouse and Oleander's, which open reservations daily at 2 in the afternoon. Room service is also available for club and butler level rooms, with butler level enjoying 24-hour service. The resort boasts Jamaica's largest private white sand beach, described as private and beautiful, with white sand along clear turquoise water. It's very long, allowing for various atmospheres from lively to quiet. Guests are regularly checked on to see if we would like drinks. Private cabanas are available for an extra fee, offering butler service. Sandals Montego Bay has 7 pools and 3 whirlpools. While it has a lack of a main pool area compared to other Sandals, there's a lively pool with a swim-up bar and DJ, and a quiet main pool. Many rooms also feature swim-up pools. Take advantage of an extensive list of complimentary motorized and non-motorized water sports, including snorkeling, paddleboarding, kayaking, cat sailing, wakeboarding, tubing, water skiing, and scuba diving for certified divers. Scuba diving includes the very best equipment and certified staff. The clear water allows for sightings of colorful fish and patches of coral. Activities, entertainment, and relaxation include land sports, nightly entertainment, spas and excursions around the island of Jamaica at an extra cost. Sandals Montego Bay is perfect for weddings, honeymoons, and romantic getaways. The exceptional service and staff are consistently praised for being friendly, professional, and courteous, warm and attentive, and going above and beyond to meet your personal needs. Many guests highlight personalized service, especially from butlers and specific staff members. When you arrive, download the Loop application on your mobile device. The app is a valuable tool for guests to communicate requests, complaints, suggestions, or compliments directly to resort management for quick and efficient resolution in real time. Sounds like a perfect getaway, right? Well, it is, however, you also might want to consider a few things before you book your trip. The airplane noise. While many adapt, it remains a significant drawback for some guests, particularly light sleepers or those sensitive to noise. It is located literally right behind the main runway of the International Airport in Montego Bay. Others have complained about the main pool size. Some guests note the lack of a large pool area compared to other Sandals resorts, as well as a complaint about the shaded beach chairs. A common complaint is the difficulty in securing shaded loungers on the beach, as butlers often reserve them for their clients, sometimes leaving them unoccupied for extended periods. While generally praised, a minority of guests found food quality good, but the size or portions of food to be average at best to very small food portions. Although mostly highly rated, a few guests had mixed experiences with butler service, finding it occasionally lacking or inconsistent, and gym maintenance needed attention. One reviewer noted several weight machines were out of action and not repaired. These are very small and minor complaints and only affected a very small percentage of guests. Almost every single guest said they would stay here again and or recommend Sandals Montego Bay to a friend or family member. On behalf of GIST Jamaica, I hope we offered some comprehensive insights into Sandals Montego Bay, Jamaica, highlighting its status as the original Sandals all-inclusive resort and a popular choice for adults-only couples vacations. Make sure to subscribe to the GIST Jamaica YouTube channel and download the GIST Jamaica application for your iPhone or Android device. Thank you and see you in Jamaica soon.